Guys, and welcome back to my channel. To all my old and new subscribers, thank you for tuning in. If you're new and just passing by for the first time, please do not forget to click on that subscribe button down below and do click on the notification bell because it will definitely notify you of any time I upload a new video. So in today's video, I'm going to be doing the rice water challenge on my transitioning hair. Yes, many of you already know how much I love rice water, but since I started transitioning, I haven't used rice water on my hair. So today I'll be trying it and let's see what happens. So like the title says, I tried rice water on my transitioning hair and this happened. So guys, my hair is in a cornrow now. See, I'm taking it off, then I'll go and try the rice water on it. So let's go see what happens. So guys, here's my rice water. I'm going to be adding a bit of castor oil to it. You can add any oil you have, could be almond oil, coconut oil, or extra virgin olive oil. I'm going to be mixing a bit of Bioterra conditioner. Just going to use my hands to mix everything together. This is my spray bottle. This is my spray bottle. There's still a lot many. I'm going to use them all. So guys, this is my transitioning hair. I just took it off from cornrow. So I'm going to be applying the mixed rice water now from my spray bottle. I'm going to apply like this. Take that first. Some people wash their hair before. You can shampoo your hair before applying, but I didn't shampoo mine. I'm just going to apply straight. Then wash everything off all at the same time.
When she dropping the low for a bad man, baby carry the go for a bad man. See the way she the roll for a bad man. She be taking it slow for a bad man. When she dropping the low for a bad man, nah, 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 nah.
In fact, guys, after spraying like this, I'm just going to pour everything in direct. So guys, after that, I'm going to cover with a bag. Cover my hair, guys, in a bag. I'm going to leave it for 30 minutes before I wash it off with shampoo and conditioner. So let's see what happens. So like the title says, rice water on my transitioning hair. Let's see what will happen. It's been like 30 minutes. Let's get off now. My hair.
Are you feeling my way? Feeling your way? So pass up on the family, mama say it's okay. Oh, them up me on surely. Baby, you know it's okay.
Going to apply my wash and go shampoo.
You're a really cool girl, I got a really good taste. Ha! She feeling my way. You whisper to her friends, say she's feeling my face. Ha! She's feeling my place. She want to be with me when she's feeling high rate. Back at you come back again. Oh, so for me, pay Chichi. She looking very hot in my yellow Lamborghini. You get the way. Hey, baby, carry the go for a bad man. See the way she the roll for a bad man. She be taking it slow for a bad man.
Yes, I'm going to apply my conditioner.
For a bad man, see the way she the roll for a bad man. She be taking it slow for a bad man. When she dropping it low for a bad man, nah, 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 nah. Ginger me, how they want to ginger me today? Make you ginger me. All the ladies in the house they want to ginger me today. So I'm here for the girl then. Mr. DJ play my song. Yeah, I'm chilling with the girl then. and we get high all night long. Bulaka. She love the bad thing, she hold a bad man, she want the bad thing. I'm all up on her waist when we dancing. She don't care about nobody when we grinding. Make you ginger me, how they want to ginger me today. Make you ginger me, all the ladies in the house they want to ginger me. Hey, hey, carry they go for a bad man. See the way she they roll for a bad man. She be taking it slow for a bad man. When she dropping the low for a bad man. Baby carry they go.
So guys, I'm done, all fresh. I took a shower too. So just going to dry the hair with a t-shirt, not a towel, no. So let's see how my hair feels like. Guys, I love what I'm seeing. Can you see how shiny my hair looks? So clean and fluffy. I was at the point scared to use rice water on my transitioning hair because, you know, rice water contains a lot of protein. I was thinking protein won't be that good as I'm transitioning, but I saw some videos that people tried it, and you all know rice water is one of my best remedy for natural hair growth. And I like what I see. See guys, I've not applied nothing, just straight from the shower. Okay, yes, my hair is still breaking a bit. Yeah, it's transitioning, it's normal, but I like what I see, guys. Oops, it's shiny, coily kind of. I have to comb it. Oh, let me not comb it down. Let me apply. I'm going to be applying shea butter. This is my shea butter that I possessed. It's natural shea butter. I'm going to apply shea butter mixed with shea butter. I'm going to apply shea butter mixed with my castor oil and just lock it in. And mix two of them together now and lock it in. Oh yes, I will get my veggie hair fertilizer too to apply on it. Okay, so I'm kind of moisturizing my hair now. I like what I see, guys. So my hair is looking so lovely. As you see how fluffy my hair looks, I don't even feel like combing it out. I'm so loving it. Oh, this is what happened after using rice water on my transitioning hair. So I'm going to apply my veggie hair fertilizer on my edges to help my edges a lot. Guys, so I'm going back to my rice water routine, but I'll try not to use it too often.
She hold a bad man, she want the bad thing. I'm all up on her waist when we dancing. She don't care about nobody when we grinding. Make you ginger me, how they want to ginger me today. Make you ginger me, all the ladies in the house they want to ginger me. Hey, hey, carry they go for a bad man. See the way she they roll for a bad man. She be taking it slow for a bad man. When she drop.
So guys, we have come to the end of this video. I tried rice water on my transitioning hair and I love the results. Guys, see how shiny my hair looks. Look underneath my hair, guys. Fluffy. See, so lovely. So next I'll be trimming my hair soon, the tips, as you guys can see. So that's the next step for my transition stage. I'll trim it, and guys, I think I'm on the right track. My edges, I think they started coming back bit by bit thanks to my veggie hair fertilizer. So guys, we've come to the end of this video. I do hope you find this video helpful. Please, if you do not forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you all in my next video. Thank you. Bye.